What is the radius of the circle circumscribing an isosceles right triangle having an area of 162 square centimeter? So first we have to know what is the isosceles right triangle. Isosceles right triangle is basically a right triangle that contains two equal legs. It looks like this. And then it said here in the problem that a circle is circumscribing an isosceles right triangle. So, therefore, there is a circle outside a triangle. Okay? So, pretend that it is a circle. Okay? So, bear with my drawing. I'm so bad at it. Also, we have to take note about this part. So, this part is the longest side of a triangle. It also satisfies the definition of a diameter. So a diameter is basically two radius connected together. We have this first R and then second R. So we can say that our diameter is equivalent to two radius. Okay? So also we have to take note of this, the height and also the base. Since there's no given base and height, we can both denote this as x. Okay? So, before anything else, let me show you the formula of an area of a triangle. So, the area of the triangle is basically equal to 1/2 base times height. And since we are denoting base and height as x, therefore we have a is equals to 1/2 x squared, because x multiplied by x is equals to x squared. So, okay, so after that, what do we have to do next? We have to plug in our known value. We are given the area, which is 162 square centimeter, which is equals to 1/2 x squared. So we can use our calculator to get the value. So we have 162 is equals to 1/2 x squared. Shift solve, we obtain the value of 18. So our value of x is equals to 18. If you don't have calculator, we can divide this by 1/2. So we will have 162 divided 1/2 is equals to x squared. And then 162 over 1/2 is equals to 324. And then squaring both sides, x, this would be 1, is equivalent to the square root of 324. What is the square root of 324? We get the value of 18. Okay? The next thing we have to do is, since we have a right triangle here, as we can see here, we can use Pythagorean theorem. Our Pythagorean theorem states that the longest side, which is c squared, is equals to the adjacent plus the a, which is this part, and then the b, which is this part. As we say here, our a denotes our base and then RB denotes our height. Since we said earlier that we used x to substitute our base and height, so we will have here c squared is equals to x squared plus x squared. So basically we have c squared is equals to x squared, right? So we have 2x squared. Also, we said here that this longest part, the c, is equals to our diameter, which is just equivalent to 2r. So, we have to substitute this one here. So, we will have here 2r squared is equals to 2x squared. So, square root both sides, square So we will have 2r is equivalent to the square root of 2x squared. Okay? So let's use that. Our formula here is 2r is equivalent to the square root of 2x squared. Okay? So the value of our x is 18. So we can just substitute it to get our r value. We have 2 multiplied by 18 squared. Dividing both sides by 2, we will have the value of our r. So we have a square root of 2 multiplied by 18 squared all over 2. We have the value of so we have the r value, which is equals to 12.73 centimeter. So that will be our final answer.